Ladies and gentlemen, HODL here, back with another crypto series video. I haven't posted an update last week, but this is an update for the last 2 weeks. What a 2 weeks it's been in crypto. Went down like crazy and it sucks. It really does suck. My portfolio went down. I'm going to talk about why it happened, where we going, what I'm doing with my money, how much money I have left out of those 5,500 USD that I have invested at a peak of a bull run. First of all, do not invest in the peak of a bull run. It sucks. And don't invest all of it. If you're investing 5K, don't buy it at the peak all at once. But it was an experiment, whatever. I think we're still in a bull run. Let's go. Okay, so the first things first, why this thing happened. There are a few reasons. Number one is Elon Musk removed payments for Bitcoin with Tesla. Again, really sucked, but they decided to do it whatever reason. That was something that was a bit of a problem. Bitcoin is not going away, in my opinion. It's still going to be there. It's one of the biggest assets. And energy consumption, that's one of those BS reasons that will blow over, in my opinion. Again, this is just my thought. That was one of the reasons. Number two, China banned Bitcoin. I think China's been trying to ban Bitcoin for a long time, multiple times. So it's one of those things that they decided to do it again. US Treasury called for Bitcoin transfers over 10K to be reported to IRS. Ooh, that sucks. Hopefully, I mean, that's probably not going to happen. But again, we know IRS, it's like CRA in Canada. Those guys want their hands in everyone's pants. And so that was definitely a contributor. The other big contributor was fear, uncertainty, and doubt, attack on crypto space. There was apparently market manipulation and targeted sell-off by big holders to buy back at a lower price point. So that's, and then the market crashed multiple times and went to a pretty insane deep dip. There we go. Now, what am I doing? I haven't sold anything. I haven't sold any holdings that I have. The reason for it is because I don't believe we're at the end of the bull market. I think the bull market will still continue, and there is a small chance we are going to enter the bear market. If that happens, then the whole crypto is going to drop to 80 to 90% for the next 2-3 years, and it's going to suck. It will come back though later on. A lot of the altcoins that are on the market obviously will disappear. The bigger coins will be still there. So I think we're still in a bull market, so that's why I haven't sold anything. I'm going to show you my portfolio. Let's see. So you could see the coins that I have, and all of these were at $1,000, and shopping.io was at 1,500. So a really good time to buy. They all went down to $300, and I believe it's still going to go back. And so that's why I haven't sold anything. Yeah, so there is a chance of a bear market, but it's pretty low. And if it happens, it happens. I think one of the biggest things I will say is why I'm pretty confident is I have invested into Ethereum and ADA and Litecoin. So outside of this $5,500 project, those coins, when they do go down to 90% or below, like they will drop 90%. If we enter bear market, they're gonna come back. They just will come back in the next run in 2023, 2024. Does it suck? Absolutely. Would I make anything differently? Yes, I would definitely do. I would invest. I wouldn't invest 5,500 straight in. I would put probably 1,000, 1,500, maybe 2,000 max, and I would put 3,500 into Tether, USDT, into Binance, and I would just wait. I would wait and buy at a lower point incrementally, because then you can catch the actual dip. Because the moment you catch the big dip, then your $1,000 becomes 5K next time. Because you didn't buy at the bull run, or you didn't buy at the peak the way that I did. But that's one of those hindsights, and it's good. And I would probably diversify a little bit more. It's still decent diversification, but I would probably diversify more, and I would put more money into the coins that have larger market cap. I did quite a lot. I did put money into Ethereum, did put money into ADA outside of this project, but for 5,500, I thought, hey, I will put everything into altcoins. Not a bad idea, except it was a terrible time. Nobody knew, of course. Everything went to hell after that. So this is it. I think we are probably going to go through ups and downs, and it's going to be a really rough seas ahead. But eventually, there's a lot of updates coming to Litecoin, updates coming to ADA, updates coming to Ethereum. Like, I don't believe that the bear market is coming. I don't think it's happening just yet. I think it will be either early 2022 or mid 2022. To be honest, I don't think this year is going to happen. So it's a great time to buy. That's my opinion. Again, it's a big risk and not a financial advice too. Crypto, as you can see, could be shit because I lost more than $3,000 for sure. Again, lost on paper because I haven't sold anything. That's really it. That's the update, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Follow me along for the journey. You can sign up, and I'll be posting every single week the updates for my crypto portfolio. I'm not selling because obviously it will be pretty crazy. I think the coins that I've invested in actually have legit projects. So selling it at $300 would be a complete joke. I don't need $300. It's going to go back to $1,000, $1,500. I don't know. We'll see. But at least I want to get the money back that I've invested in. I think there's a good chance it will come back. And then later on, what I'm changing with my approach is I'm putting a lot more money to USDT, into Tether, so I could actually react to more of these dips and you have more cash on hand, so I could buy more of the dip, because that's really where you can gain more money and not put everything in, because the volatility of crypto is pretty crazy, especially compared to stock. Hope you enjoyed this one, guys. Consider subscribing to the channel. Leave a comment. What do you think about crypto market? Was it really shit for you too, or did you buy the dip and sold at a good time? Again, hard to predict these things. I'd love to know. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.